Hi everyone, welcome back to Excel Master. In this video, we will learn how to create this infographic, beautiful, stunning, hollow circle chart in Excel. This technique I learned from PK, who is an Excel expert, and learned it from him. The credit goes to him. Here we can see we have markets: US market, UK, Australia, India, Canada, and the total market and their sales. And we will see how to create this infographic circle chart to visualize. And these visualization can be used in our dashboards, even in our presentation. We can use this. If I change the figures, we can see the markets are automatically changing. Now let's jump and we'll see how to create this chart. I will copy this data and go to Control N to go to new workbook. Then I'll paste it here. I'll go to the view and remove the grid lines. I'll select these columns and I'll go to insert. I'll insert a donut chart. I'll change the donut. I'll change the size of the chart a little bigger. Then I'll remove the chart title. I'll remove the legend as well. The chart will be big, and right click, format data series. Here the donut's whole size, I will keep it 60%. Now we will add the data label. We'll keep this data label outside the series. Now we will insert a text box. Insert a text box. Shape format. Shape fill as no fill. Shape outline as no outline, and we will put the total figures here. We'll put total, select this column, we'll make it center, and we'll change the font TWC and empty, and we will change the font size to 16. We'll make it bold. We will insert one more text box. Here we will write total. Now we will draw a shape. The shape is circle hollow, and we will draw this shape over this, and we will size it exactly the measure of the donut. And we can adjust the size with this. First we will shape format. Here we will remove the shape outline, and we will go to the format shape. We will fill the gradient fill. There are 3 stops. The first stop will be in 0, and the second stop in 50, and third stop in 100. First stop we will put black color. On the second stop, we will also put black color, but transparency 100%. Third stop, we will put white color, and then we will go to the type and we will change it to paths. And you can see there are beautiful, the ring shape has been formed here. Right click the data labels and you will change the font to TWC ENMT, and the font size we will change it to 10. Also, in the format data labels we will also add category name. Now when we change the figures, you can see the figures are automatically, it's changing, it's beautiful. Now we will format the outside border. We will select the outside border and we will go to the format, and we can see border. We'll go to the solid line and we'll give ash color line with 1.575 width. Also we will give some shadow effect, and it looks stunning. We will add some chart title. We will go to insert, shapes. You can see this shape, you can drag it, we'll make nice shape. We will remove the shape outline as no outline, and we will write hollow circle chart in Excel. Whatever the title which is related to the chart, we can add it here, and we will select this and we will make it center and TWC will change the TWCCEN title and we'll make it 16. It looks like this. Now we will select all and we will group it. Right click and group. Now we can move the chart anywhere. Now we will make one more copy, paste. For a practice, we can see now I will change this data label to percentage instead of value. We will insert a shape. Circle hollow, and we'll put the shift key and we will drag it. Shape format, we will remove the shape outline and right click, format shape. We'll put the gradient fill. Automatically it will fill because we have already done the designing, so it has filled the format. Now we will adjust the shape exactly to fit the circle. That's it. It looks very beautiful and it's very attractive, and when you are changing the figures, you can see the circle is getting changed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up Subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.